Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into two popular tools for making presentation, but they work in different ways, which is Prezi and Pitch. So let's dive into it. Prezi used a big zooming canvas instead of traditional slide. You can move around ideas by zooming in and out, which makes presentation more dynamic and existing, especially for live talk or storytelling. It's great when you want your audience to feel engaged, but it can take a bit longer to learn and doesn't use AI to build slides for you. Now, talking about Pitch focus on clean, simple slide design with teamwork in mind. It makes it easy to create, edit slide and with others. And it has templates that help you build professional desk very fast, and it doesn't have Prezi's zooming style, but it's simpler if you want classic slide that look good and are easy to share around. So in my opinion, Prezi win for dynamic storytelling, and Pitch wins for simple team-friendly slide, and that's the slightly difference between the two presentation platforms. If you find the video helpful, leave a do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more reviews.